Meet Tom. Tom works for a great company. Tom's company values its employees, and the employees are able to work remotely. Tom reports to one of the C-suite leaders in his company and is asked to put together a virtual event for their team. They used to do this event in person and want to do the event virtually but not lose the energy and excitement, and they want to keep everyone engaged. Tom starts to research how to put on the event while maintaining participation and keeping it fun. The problem is, he doesn't know what platform to use and doesn't have access to a studio or the right equipment in order for the event to appear professional. Tom just wants the virtual event to be smooth, seamless, and engaging for his team. After Tom does some research, he calls Elevate Experiences to produce a fun, engaging, and motivational event to help connect their team virtually. First, Elevate listens to what Tom wants to accomplish and how they can help deliver the content and positive energy to his team. Elevate works with Tom to design and plan the event, making sure that Tom feels confident, his boss is on board, and no details have been missed. Once the virtual event is designed, Tom gives Elevate great feedback and gives Elevate the go-ahead to proceed to the last step, producing the event. On the day of the event, Elevate helps Tom and his team go live to create a welcoming environment and an engaging atmosphere that carries on throughout the whole event. Tom and his coworkers really enjoy the experience happening on their screen, and they love seeing their leaders and the Elevate moderator having a good time, sharing important information, and engaging with them through chat, polls, and other interactive ways. The chat is flooded with entertained employees, and they are all engaged. The participation rate is through the roof. At the end of the virtual experience, Tom feels grateful for Elevate. He is thankful that his team feels more connected, even from home. Tom's company raves about the virtual event and tells their peers how easy Elevate made this experience for their team. So if you're like Tom and you don't know how to create an engaging virtual event for your company or your organization, give us a call. We'd love to help you and your team.